Whoa! So thank you very much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you clicking on this video, and also you have to subscribe to this channel. Yes, you have to click on the subscribe button and also click on the like button. You get me? Share this video to your friends, and when you click on the subscribe button, don't forget to also click on what? The bell icon. It's very important to me because when you click on the bell icon, whenever I drop in a new video, you are going to get the notification in your notification bar. Thank you very much for doing all this. So now today we are going to talk about Instagram. Yes, when you are having an error or when you are facing any problem on your Instagram account or with your Instagram app, what you have to do is what I'm going to teach you today. So stick to this video and don't try to skip this video. Just watch it from the beginning to the end without skipping. So let's move on. So first of all, what you have to do is I have to go to your phone settings. So search for your phone settings. So go to menu, click on settings when you find it. After that, you have to click on apps and notifications. So when you click on apps and notifications, what you have to do next is to click on see all apps so that you can be able to see your Instagram app. So now we have to search for Instagram app when we reach here. So let's search for Instagram app. So as you can see over here, this is my Instagram app. So click on it, and when you click on it, what you have to do is to check the permissions. Yeah, so you have to allow all permissions. So click on the allow, go back, and after checking all the permissions, and when you've seen that everything is well or everything is good, what you have to do is to go to storage and catch or catch. So click on that place. After that, what you have to do next is clear cache or clear your cache. You get me? Some people have been saying catch, others have been saying catch. Do you get me? So that's it. So after doing this, you have to go back to Play Store or Google Play Store, or if you are using an iOS device, go to your App Store. Do you get me? So let's go to our Play Store app. So when you get to Google Play Store, click on the search bar and search for Instagram. So when you search for Instagram, click on it like this. So when you click on it like this, you see install and update. So when you see install and update, it means you have to update your Instagram app. But when you see install and open, it means everything is now fixed. You have to use it. But first, when you're about to use it or when you're about to log into your account, what you have to do is if you have already logged in, you have to go to your recent like this, then you clear it. You clear the Instagram. Do you get me? So after clearing it, you are done. Then you go back and open it again. So as I have not updated my Instagram app, what I have to do is to click on update. So when you reach here, what you have to do next is to click on this place, the update, the green button. So when you click on it, you have to wait a while. As you can see over here on my screen, it says pending. So you have to wait for it to load from 0% to 100%. So as you can see, it's now at 4%. So let's wait a while and please exercise patience. Do you get me? Yeah. So guys, this is how to do it. It's very, very simple. And if you are having any problem, just reach me out. I'm going to help you. Of course. Yes. Just go to my comment section, type your problem over there, and I'm going to support you. I'm going to help you with a video link or with an explanation. So let's wait for it to load to 100%. So guys, so if you are new on my channel, guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel or if you are new on this channel, what you have to do is to click on the subscribe button. It's very important to me. After that, click on the like button. Yeah. share the video to your friends, and also give us a comment if you have any question. So as you can see right now, guys, it is installing. Yeah, so after it has been installed, you will see uninstall and open. So let's wait till it reached that place. Yeah, so let's wait a while. It's still installing, so you have to wait a while. Yeah, so guys, this is it. Google Play Store. Oh, this thing has kept long too much. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Oh my. Okay, so as you can see over here, it says install and open. So we are done with it. Install and open. We are done with it. So this is how to face Instagram glitch or Instagram error or any Instagram problem. If this is not working for you, just let me know in my comment section, and I'm going to give you more updates or different updates for it to help you. Thank you very much for staying with me till this place. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. But before that, let me see how my Instagram app is moving. Okay, so let's wait. Wow, everything is moving well. As you can see over here, everything is moving. So thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate what you guys have done for me, for subscribing to my channel, liking the video, commenting, and also being with me since I started this channel. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. And if you have any question, just comment down below. I'm going to help you out with it. Thank you. Bye bye.